sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. Okay, so I'm pretty excited today. Today is Saturday, but I've basically been home all day, just lounging, you know. I did some work early in the morning, but yeah, I've been lounging for the better part of today. But it's going to be a very exciting evening. Mia, guys, I actually styled my hair myself. Like, I styled my hair myself, guys. The thing with short hair, you always have to keep styling, you know, in order to maintain its fineness. So I actually did style my hair myself. I used this my big straightener, which was a hassle to use, but I have ordered those tiny pencil straighteners on Amazon, so I would get that soon. But for now, we are managing the big one. Anyway, it's going to be a very exciting evening because today I'm going for an event. I'm going for an event this evening. The event is hosted by Schweppes. So Schweppes is launching their new ginger and zobo flavor. They are doing the official launch today in Abuja. So I was invited for the event, and of course you guys know that I'm going to be going because you guys know that I love going for events. Okay, it's going to be happening at Transcorp Hilton, so I'm just going to try and get ready. They said 6 p.m. but I'm hoping that I leave here at least before 6. It's 5:15 now, so I want to just do sharp makeup, like sharp hair, so that I can leave the house in time. You guys know I love taking you on these events with me, so come along. Let's go.
Hello flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all out. Everything.
What are you doing?
I am putting on my lashes.
Oh wow, what are you doing?
You ask too many questions. You ask too many questions, Mama.
I carry you.
Oh, I can't carry you now. I'm trying to wear my lashes.
Oh, your eyes is shiny.
My eyes are shining. Oh my god.
Oh my shiny.
Oh really? My eyes are shining. And you like it? Okay. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. My child is saying hello to the people. I'm ready. Hey, ready. Hey guys, I am ready. I'm wearing this pink cord set, shorts, all right, and a shirt rather. I got it from Chantel Shakestars. It's a Shein cord set, but I got it from Chantel Shakestars, and I love it. It's so perfect for this event because they said smart casual. Yeah, smart casual, so it's perfect. I'm wearing these mules, this nude mules, and yeah, I'm ready to go, guys. Let's go.
Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road.
So when DJ Gunner gives you the jams, I'm expecting you, everyone, to stand, come forward, or stay where you are and just vibe to what she is giving you.
When we get home, if you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep them.
Princesa de Coca. Deus de Coca.
go, baby.
Baby girl love my bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop.
Amazing. So shout out to the first table.
Yay!
And my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shawty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. Fuck with your boy, I'm the man of the year. I'm not a fan of your peers. Serve him with fate, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man of your peers. Heart of a lion, I'm trampling fears. I love the man in the mirror. Cry me a river to stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going crazy, niggas fugazi. How would they ever gon' fuck with a kid? Put it on, baby, it do not faze me. Boy, I do not give a fuck what you did. Eating that kitty, she stuck to my rib. How can I trust him? He fuck with the pigs. Bro got a Glock and a couple of C's. He think about splitting a couple of wigs. Shotty my DNA, all real, nigga. Sweatsuit, all here.
Hey! Let's go! Hey, 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 hey! Let's go! Let's go! Hey!
Flex season, I'm road running. I'm staying all on my tip top. Young man with an old mind, so I ain't worried.
Always.
Timeless icon that always perfect for your social events. I hope you're having a good time. Have you looked this week?
I'm busy, I ain't got the minutes for texting that bitch. Came from the gutter with me and my brother. I'm moving my mother right out of the city. Bitch, I'm a star and they know I go hard, so I'm kissing them babies and signing them titties. Gold blinging like Chingo, rock star like Ringo. Checks coming in back to back, I'ma line them up like bingo. Oh, I think that they like me. They be all on my wood tip, not a stain on my.
Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. So today is Sunday and I'm just about stepping out. I'm going to go and do I'm going to get my nails done. I haven't made my nails in such a long time, guys, like in such a long time, and they look horrible. I'm a nail biter, so you can imagine. Well, I don't bite. I'm not a chronic nail biter to the point that I bite and bite and bite and bite down to my cuticle. But I do bite my nails, so my nails never ever look pretty when they are natural. So I'm going to go have my nails done. Then I will also get my pedicure done because under my feet look like the surface of a rock. Okay, they are rough and they need to be tamed. So I'm going to have pedicure done as well, and I also maybe might get a massage done. I'm not sure yet, but that would be nice because my body needs it. Okay, and it's self-care Sunday. I mean, come on, can never go wrong with that, right? Anyway, let me go right about now. I've already dropped Mia Rose and Eliza over at my parents' place so that Mia can spend some time with her grandpa today. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's the plan for today. I have my hair in a scarf because I didn't have time to style my hair today, my natural hair. I didn't have that time, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna tie a scarf. All right, it's a bad hair day. Anyways, let's go.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
So I just came out of the salon spa, and as you can see, I didn't even get my nails done. I don't know why I thought they do nails here. For some reason I was so sure that they do nails here, only to get here and realize that they don't do like nails here. It's mostly like, you know, massages, facials, pedicures and hair. So I did get a pedicure. My feet now feel like a baby's feet, thanks be to God for that. And then I got a massage. I got the one I usually always get, which is the Swedish massage, and it felt so good, guys, because I didn't realize I had so much body pain until the massage actually started. right? I didn't realize how much body pain I actually had until the massage began. I'm just like, what? So that was really needed, and I was so happy I did that. The reason why I love to get my massage here, by the way, this is Topaz Salon and Spa. Topaz Spa and Salon. The reason why I love coming here to get massages is because it's so affordable, but at the same time, the masseuses, the ladies that they train to do these massages, are amazing. Like, their hands are like machines. They just, you know, I absolutely love it, and it's affordable compared to a lot of places that offer these services, right? So I usually love coming here, you know, to get massages done. They are always so detailed, and it's always so worth every penny because it is so good. Trust me, there's nobody that I have recommended this place to that has not enjoyed their session or service here. I've sent my mom down here a couple of times to get his massage done. She loved it. I've sent Jesse down here. I think I gave him a gift card one time, and he had a massage done here, and it was all good reviews. So they are really good for that. Trust me. Pedicure, massages, that's what I mainly do each time I come here, and it's always on point. So obviously I'm going to have to get my nails done some other time, maybe sometime this coming week. I can't do it anymore today. This is almost 5:30 p.m. and I can't start saying, okay, let me go into Wusetu, because going into Wusetu now, by the time I get there, start the nails, finish, it'll be like night things. So I think I'm okay for one day. I'll just go home and just chill, and yeah, call it a day today. Ladies, especially moms, find time to have self-care. Trust me when I tell you, find time to get self-care done. Your nails, your pedicure, your massage, at least once a month. I feel like it is ideal, and I feel like it is, at this point, it's not even luxury because it is needed. Trust me, it is so needed. Anyway, I'm going home. Oh no, wait, maybe I should go. I'm thinking of going to pick up a few things from Yaro's. Rice Krispies. I don't know why I always only find Rice Krispies at H Medics in this Abuja most times. Most other stores around me never ever have Rice Krispies, so I'm thinking of going to H Medics. Not sure. Anyway, let me move this car first and plot my graph. I don't know. Go down on me with your coca body, eh? In the corner, eh? Waka waka, eh? Hala hala, eh? See, guys, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with that song. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed watching Vlogmas Day 2. I'm praying that I get invited for many more events this December, because Vlogmas has to be lit. All right, hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Bye.
Never thought it would matter if I'm gone.